What exactly is data governance? It can be defined as a structured approach to managing data as a valued asset that ensures information is business ready, accurate, complete, consistent, and optimized for confident decision making throughout the organization. It's like establishing the rules of the road for our data highway. Without these rules, we'd face chaos. Different departments interpreting the same numbers differently, inconsistent reporting, and ultimately, less reliable business decisions. The impact of proper governance touches every corner of an organization. From a risk perspective, it helps maintain regulatory compliance in increasingly scrutinized environments. Operationally, it streamlines processes by eliminating redundancies and reconciliation challenges. Imagine the difference between spending hours validating conflicting numbers versus making decisions confidently with a single source of truth. But perhaps most importantly, governance creates value. When employees can trust their data implicitly, they make better decisions faster, creating a competitive advantage that's difficult for others to replicate. At the heart of governance is data quality. What does good data actually look like? It's accurate, reflecting reality without errors. It's complete, containing all the elements needed for decision-making. It's consistent, meaning the same thing across all systems. And it's timely, available when and where it's needed. Without governance, these quality attributes naturally degrade over time. A robust quality framework creates the structure to maintain these standards systematically. Organizations that implement quality monitoring see up to 60% reduction in data-related incidents and a corresponding increase in stakeholder confidence. This brings us to standards and policies, the documented guidelines that make governance tangible. These practical tools answer critical questions. How should we name our data elements? Who can access what information? How long do we retain different types of data? Clear standards transform subjective opinions into objective measures, eliminating the "it depends" answers that create confusion. When a global financial services firm implemented consistent data standards, they reduced report generation time by 40% and virtually eliminated reconciliation discrepancies. People, not just documents, create good governance. A collaborative stewardship model distributes responsibility to those who understand the business context of data. Data owners provide strategic direction, data stewards manage day-to-day quality, and data users, that's everyone, apply governance policies in daily work. This shared responsibility ensures decisions about data are made by those who truly understand its purpose and value. Organizations with strong stewardship models report 70% higher confidence in their data assets compared to those relying solely on technology solutions. Data operations form the foundation that underpins all governance work. These are the processes and technologies that make governance actionable: monitoring data quality, managing metadata, enforcing access controls, and tracking data lineage across systems. Like the engine that powers enterprise systems, data operations transform governance frameworks into everyday practices that yield tangible results. Companies with mature data operations recover up to 35% of previously wasted time spent searching for or validating information. What does this mean for you? First, recognize that governance isn't just an IT initiative. It requires everyone's participation. Second, familiarize yourself with the data standards for your department. Finally, when you encounter data issues, address them at the source, rather than creating workarounds. Remember, governance isn't about limiting possibilities, it's about creating them. When we can fully trust our data, we make better decisions, serve customers more effectively, and maintain competitive edge in an increasingly complex marketplace. What data governance challenge will you help solve today?